we'll guide you through how to choose themes in WordPress. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and look for the Appearance option on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and then select Themes. This will take you to the Themes page where you can see the current theme you're using and a list of available themes. Now, to add a new theme, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. Here, you can browse through thousands of free and premium themes. You can filter these themes based on features such as layout, subject, or specific functionalities you need. If you have a specific theme in mind, use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you find a theme you like, hover over it and click on the Preview button to see how it would look on your site. This is a great way to visualize the changes before making them live. If you like what you see, click on the Install button, and once it's installed, click Activate to apply the theme to your site. Remember, some themes might have additional settings or recommended plugins, so check for any notifications that might pop up after activation. You can customize your theme by going to Appearance, then Customize, to tweak settings like colors, fonts, and layouts to better fit your brand. Choosing the right theme is crucial as it affects your site's appearance and functionality, so take your time and explore different options. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.